Back to my channel. This is Demita. I'm continuing to talk about how to make money online. This is my suggestion 21. I have done um, suggestions 1 through 20 in previous videos. If you have not seen them, please check them out. But this is my suggestion 21 for you guys, and this is how I suggest you can make money online. So, my suggestion 21 for today is to click and sell photos. Now, this is for people who have the passion for photography, the ability to take versatile and creative photos. If you are an experienced photographer, you can start almost instantly. If you are new, you might need time to learn photography. Learning time completely depends on how quickly you grasp concepts. Now, there are many ways to earn a lot of money from photography, and this is just to mention a few, but you can sign up at the following websites, upload your photographs, and start earning money once people start buying them. You can go to iStockPhoto.com, SmugMug.com, Alamy.com, GettyImages.com, and last but not least, Fotolia.com. Now, remember, creativity is really necessary for photography. You will have to bring more professionalism and creativity to your photographs to start earning a good income. Merely taking random photographs from your cell phone or a digital camera is not going to work here. You can even start your own photography website and sell your photographs directly from there. So now, guys, this is my suggestion 21. If you're into taking photos and you have a good eye, you can make money online. Now, I just want to say again, these are my suggestions. Like this video if it has been of any interest to you. You can share it with your family and your friends on your social media sites. You never know who this video will help. Um, Subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I'm making a new video. Again, this is my suggestion 21 for making money online. And that's simply to click and sell photos. Again, thank you for listening, and I'll holler at you in the next video.